Do you want to import your Excel contacts into mobile phones? Facing issues while importing Excel contacts into any email client? Introducing Softaken Excel to Vcard converter software. Simply export contacts from Excel, XLSX and XLS to Vcard. Check preview before saving your contacts. It supports all properties like first name, middle name, last name, full name, email address, job title, company name, and other things. Helps in exporting contacts for mobile devices as well as online/offline email clients. The app can create separate and merged Vcard files for contacts. Supports all Windows Outlook versions. It supports multiple non-English languages including Korean, Japanese, Chinese, etc. Free trial version is available on official website. For any queries, contact us.